Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this Mazda CX-30 and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the front brake pads and rotor. So let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take off the caliper. That is this one. So to do so, we're gonna take off this bolt right here and this other one down here. These bolts are a wrench number 13. First one. Now let's take off the caliper. Now let's take off this spring. And then the lower one. Now let's take off the brake pads. That's the first one. This one was not that bad. However, the rotor is bended, so it's causing a rough vibration every time you brake, especially at high speed. So we're gonna replace the rotor. Okay, let's take the second brake pad, the inner one. So now let's take off the caliper bracket. This is the caliper bracket. To do so, we're gonna take off this bolt right here and this other one down here. So this one is a nut number 17. First one, here's the second one. There we go. And this is it. Now we can take off the rotor. I'm gonna smack on the opposite face. There we go. Now let's get the new one. These are the spare parts we're gonna use. So here are the reference. Those are the front rotors. Power stop brand. Fully coated. And here we have our Brembo brake pads. These are low met Brembo brand. So this is the reference P49050. Back to you. Okay. These are low metallic brake pads, high performance brake pads. I'm gonna leave the link down below here in the description if you want to get the same spare parts. So let's install the new spare part. Put it over here. Just put it all the way in. Let's take off this sticker. So now let's put back the bracket. This one right here. Let's put back the bolts. There's the first one. Now let's get the second one down here. Now I'm gonna tie the caliper bracket. This is a number 17 wrench. So I'm gonna use the hammer just to make sure it is well tightened. That's good. Now the second one. That's good. So now let's put the new brake pads. For each side we have one with the wear witness, which is this one. This little metal strip right here. And the other one that doesn't have it. So this one, the one that has it, goes in the inner side. Right here. Here we go. Alright, so let's put the other one, the external one. All good. Now we're gonna take the caliper and we're gonna push the caliper piston all the way back with the C-press. Okay, it's all the way back. So now let's put back the caliper. Let's put back the bolt. Let's put back the second one, this one. Now let's tie these bolts. So nut number 13. That's it. Now this one. Perfect. And this is it, guys. This is how you change the front rotors and brake pads in this Mazda CX-30. If you have liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time. Now all I have to do is put back the wheel and do the same thing for the other side of the car. See you next time. Bye bye.